They won't give you any money.
Your debt ratio's out of whack.
Getting that message from a lender can be a shot
to the gut.
And it's never easy to hear. It's kind of a letdown, but don't stop there. Continue to move on. Find another lender that's willing to work with you. And don't just sit down with these folks and just say, hey, can you look at my file? See if you can get me a mortgage? No, sit down with them and tell them why they need to work with you, why you're going to make them money on this investment. You've done your numbers, you've ran your numbers on this property, and just approach it like an interview. You're asking for hundreds and thousands of dollars from people, not just a job that pays an hourly wage. It's a little different, right? Don't approach it just like an application. Get that out of your head. It's no application. It's an interview. It's why they're going to give you
hundreds and thousands of dollars.
Show them you're going to make them money.